In this video, I will show you how much I made in the last month from Amazon KDP. And if you are like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like, since my channel is all about Amazon KDP income report. Every month, I share my earning to motivate you guys to start your own journey on Amazon KDP. So, without further ado, let's jump out to my KDP dashboard. As you can see, this is my KDP dashboard, and this is how many orders I get this month. Let me select the last month, and as you can see, last month I sold 404 units, and let me see how much I made from this amount of orders. And as you can see, I made total of $495. Let me refresh the page. And I will select the last month. So, as you can see, this month I upload 100 book. This month is my best month so far, and I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.